TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. If you're new here, welcome. What this channel is all about is I search all of the job boards daily, multiple times a day, picking out the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now, trying to weed out all the scams and share them with you on a daily basis. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on so you never miss out. And of course, I'll always provide a link to my website that has all of these jobs listed in order so you can get to the Glassdoor pages and application pages if you want to apply to anything. Timestamps are also located down in the YouTube description box below this video. But today I have like a mixed bag of jobs for you. We have a couple of like phone customer service jobs. We also have some jobs that are like doing quality review checks, verifying information, fact checking information, kind of things like that, kind of moderating information. One place is literally hiring 5 different people. So we're going to dive all in. And first up, we have a well-known real estate company, Zillow. Now, I feel like there for a while, a couple of months ago, Zillow was hiring for all kinds of different remote work from home positions, and then it's just kind of been like radio silence from them. I feel like they hired a bunch of people, and then they didn't have anything open for a while, and now they do. They have 2,200 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Zillow is looking for a customer experience consultant for their Loop platform. Now, Loop is a collaboration platform that Zillow runs and manages that brings partners together like their real estate agents, their brokers, and their third-party providers all into one workspace with the customer so the customers can complete transactions online seamlessly. And if you've ever thought about real estate like renting or buying a house, you do have to work with multiple people. Like your real estate agent is the one kind of selling you the house and coordinating everything. However, maybe you've got a mortgage broker. If you don't have that much cash, which I don't know who does in today's world, you also have to work with a mortgage company or bank or somebody to do that mortgage loan. You've got people that are doing like inspections for you. All of these are different people. And so this platform basically brings everyone together on one platform so the whole process can just go by seamlessly. So they're really just looking for somebody to provide the best customer support for that platform, providing multi-channel. So you're going to do like phone, email, chat, and social media. Just assisting customers maybe with any tech-related questions they have to using the product or platform itself, helping them with features and functionality, and promote the benefits of being that platform user. Now, they are hiring remote work from home. They don't have any state restrictions that says you can live in any of the 50 states of the United States. Pay is going to be dependent on things like your experience and location, but goes anywhere from $19.60 an hour all the way up to $31.40 an hour. And of course, best thing about this, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 1 year of experience in some kind of customer service, somebody who has a track record of being able to work independently in a high volume space. So you can really kind of multitask and manage your time wisely. You can use multiple computer systems, web-based products like Microsoft Office, Salesforce, so you can kind of learn how to use new technology if you haven't used them before quickly. So you're really just a self-starter and have great communication skills. Now, another job that's going to require phone work is AAA Life Insurance Company. They have 173 reviews with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a member service advocate, and it does say this is remote. They are paying $20 an hour, and they are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then every 4th Saturday, so one Saturday a month, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours to kind of see if that works with you. They are looking for someone to start after the holidays in February, but they are basically looking for somebody to support all of their lines of life insurance processing. So maybe like general enrollments in life insurance, performing administrative tasks, helping members with any questions they have on their life insurance. So maybe they need to know what products are best for them. Maybe they need to know how they set up paying their premiums, account questions. You're just helping with the overall anything related to their life insurance and life insurance enrollment. So you are going to have to become a product expert on all of their life insurance products so you can just provide that customer service to the member. And of course, you are going to also enroll members in coverage if they aren't already covered. Only requires a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of customer service, basic understanding of life insurance products or how life insurance works is preferred, but not required. You do have to have some good math skills, be able to do basic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and kind of be able to multitask or navigate around multiple computer systems. But now, if you're looking to do more of fact-checking, quality control on some information, we have First American Financial Corporation hiring. They have 2,000 reviews from past and current employees with that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Now, one thing to note about this website is they have a topper image that is very large. So when you first come to this website, it's going to look like the job is missing. You do just have to scroll down past the image. But they are hiring a quality control assistant. This is going to be remote work from home. And they are just looking for somebody to ensure the quality and accuracy of their documents or reports prior to the final printing and giving these documents and reports to their customers. So you're doing all the quality checks on the completed documents one last time before they're given to the customers, making sure they're accurate and complete. You're looking to identify any missing information or areas on the reports that require corrections. And then you're going to contact your internal sources or coworkers, or sometimes you might have to pick up the phone and contact the customer to obtain the required missing information. So you're just making sure all the reports are in compliance with the company and customer standards. Only requires a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years of some kind of related experience. Of course, you've got to have great attention to detail, fact-checking that information, great communication skills, and be proficient in multitasking and moving around different computer software systems. Pay for this one is anywhere from $15.68 an hour up to $26.11 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Miaplaza hiring. Now, they are like an education company. I think they offer like some kind of courses or online education. They only have 11 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. Out of those 11 reviews, though, they do come highly rated at 4.6 out of 5 stars. But I thought I would share because they're looking for 5 different people. And they are hiring people to be content moderators or kind of fact check and moderate their online schools. This position is opened on December 12th, so they just opened it, and they're going to leave the applications open for a week to allow for candidate evaluation. They are trying to fill 5 different positions by the end of January. And so they're looking for somebody basically to help monitor their student interactions, addressing any concerns with their student interactions online. So you're monitoring a high volume of student generated and posted content on the platform, including text, artwork, videos, making sure that anything the students are posting is within compliance and community guidelines. You're going to, of course, flag anything that violates those guidelines. You're responding to student inquiries that come in, providing constructive feedback and encouragement to help students develop respectful social skills. So you're really trying to stay informed on trends and pop culture so you can be effective with connecting to the students, the young audience, and make those thoughtful judgment calls addressing those content violations and trying to just uphold the community standards. So you probably need to know the latest slang that all the kids are using. But this can go anywhere from a part-time to full-time. They require you to work 4-hour shifts, but you do have the option of working 2 back-to-back 4-hour shifts. So you would work 8 hours in a day, which would be full-time. So it seems a little bit flexible there. But they operate 7 days a week from 6 a.m. in the morning to 10 p.m. Eastern time at night. So candidates from any U.S. time zone are welcome to apply. No college degree is needed. They're just looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of work experience, somebody who has access to your own computer, laptop, and a high-speed internet connection. So they are not providing any equipment for you. You do have to be technology driven, know how to use like all the new technologies, or be able to learn quickly, be able to interact with children. So be compassionate and patient, stay up to date with the current trends, and of course, be very detail oriented, be a problem solver. Pay for this position goes anywhere from $16.91 an hour up to $23.34 an hour. Now, next up, if you have a travel background or know anything about travel, how airfares and bookings and things work, American Express's Global Business Travel Department is hiring. They have 2,400 reviews with an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an executive travel consultant. Now, this is remote for the United States, and they're really just looking for someone to do its basic customer service. You're going to act as that point of sale for all of their domestic and international travel requirements, arranging routine and complex travel through air, rail, car, hotel accommodations, just providing consultative advice and solutions for their VIP travelers. So a lot of times when American Express has multiple different like credit cards and things, some of their credit cards are travels or like provide travel perks to people. Some of them are like business credit cards that get you like hotel accommodations, concierge services like lounge access in airports, things like that. And so basically you are the customer service for that travel department for those like VIP members that spend a lot on American Express credit cards and have like these upgraded perks and features of their card. So you are just going to work making sure that you provide everything that the customer needs related to their travel, and you'll also help sell them additional information like maybe car or services like car rentals or things like that. No college degree is needed, but they do want somebody who has in-depth knowledge of kind of like how international travel works, as far as, you know, maybe like hotels or air or rail bookings. Planes and international is different than domestic. You also have to know how airfares and ticketing rules domestically work as well. Great communication skills, great passion for just helping the customer, be a problem solver, and be able to multitask. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $35 an hour. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.